All right, today is gourmet hot dogs. I know that doesn't sound right, but trust me. First thing we need to do is chop some vegetables, these green peppers and onions. Let me show y'all what we're working with. We of course need hot dogs, the jumbo ones, but Hebrew National. Our trusty avocado oil, yellow onion, green pepper, and a nice easy chopper. It's a multi-tool, but you'll see this thing saves so much time. But first, preheat while we're cutting. I'm gonna put it on just real low, like a 2, 3, just so it can kind of start going while I'm chopping up. I don't want it to get too hot. Hey, honey.
Hi. Let me say hi to everybody since you already acknowledged me. Gourmet hot dogs.
That's all you have to say. Just gonna cut these into a couple little blocks. We're gonna end up sauteing these, so it needs to be enough. I think one more. Bam.
She is throwing down.
Hey. She my #1 fan, y'all. It's so cute.
I am. Okay, I'm gonna let you get to work.
All right, so this is what I mean by really easy. In there. These are a little big. I'm gonna cut them. And just like that, I didn't have to chop or mince anything. They're all in there done. We're gonna do the same thing for the green peppers. Make this real easy. One more little corner. Same thing. Put them in. Nice little smack. And there you go. Green peppers and onions, all chopped, ready to go. I got this on Amazon. I'll probably put a link down below in case y'all want to save time like I did. So now, I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Once that warms up, we can get to the next step. I'm turning this to about medium high. We want it to have a nice bite to it because we're gonna saute all of these with the bacon bits. That's gonna give us a full mixture of toppings. Then we just gotta saute the rest of the hot dogs. Hot dogs going through my mind. All right, people, I think we're ready. Into just kind of saute them. That's it. All right, it's looking good. That's what we're looking at. Broken a little bit. Start to get tender. We are going to now jump in. I don't even know how much, to be honest. I'm kind of just eyeballing it, but a good amount. I want to kind of meet the amount that's in there. Now I'm just gonna start mixing this together. We're just looking for a nice mixture. You know, it's even, not heavy on one thing too much. There's some of that bacon fat render. Bacon bits come in like all different types. I'm kind of getting the ones that aren't really hard cooked. They're still like mushy. You know, some of them are like all the way crispy. Those won't work. You don't want to get the ones that are already like super crispy. You want to kind of get the ones that still have some flimsiness to them. When you cook those, they'll start to harden up like real bacon bits. Oh, there it is. I can smell it. Look at that. That's about done. I just need to put this off to the side and something. I'm gonna use one of these, put everything in. Perfect. And now I'm gonna open these, dump the water, and throw them in here. And now we are gonna roll these back and forth. That's it. Just roll them back and forth. Let them cook on the side and then kind of roll them. Don't let the temperature get too crazy. All right, while I'm going, I'm gonna multitask and start getting the hot dog buns ready. Buns of choice, Sara Lee brioche. These are fire. Roll them again. Roll, 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 roll. Just looking so good. They are close. Look at that sucker.
It look like sausage. All right now.
I gets down with the dogs. Don't play with me. It's almost ready. This thing is beautiful, that color. All right, we're gonna turn this off. This is done. I'm about to build it. Let's do these toppings. So first, you gotta start with the classics. Ketchup and mustard. Build them. Come on, man. Okay, that one didn't go good. Look at that. It's just overflowing. Still need to hold them peppers. You still want some peppers on yours?
Yeah, I'll take a little pepper.
I'll just do these little bits on yours. And that is it. That's a gourmet hot dog. All you got to do is add a few little things on the saute and that's it. Look, people will think you are a genius.
I'll take that. Thank you. Thank you kindly.
All right.
Yes.
You need a fork, don't you?
Oh yeah, I like to eat my toppings. This looks so good, y'all. So good. Oh my God.